we're gonna taste test again. The things I do for this channel, I'm telling you. And eating all the time. Good problems. I'm stuffing myself overnight, but you know, it'll happen.
Inshallah. Alright, yum.
We just have to wait. Because, you know, perfection takes time. We are rolling, rolling. I need my spoon. Good.
Why are you running? Why are you?
Hi guys.
Hey everyone in YouTube land. Because I'm a fool for the food. Thank you everyone for watching and keeping on this journey with us while we make some nice, easy, delicious foods and travel to nice, great places.
Amen. Soon come.
You do a lot to me, boy. Why can't you see that you do a lot to me, and anything you need, you'll get it from me.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know. Euro step to the money, that's a lay. Take advantage of my time to get a payday. I've been to myself, I've been out the way. If I'm not with the kids, it's me and Tay-Tay. Spend a bag, get a bag, that's the routine. I go north, cross the border like some poutine. Growing up, I had hoop dreams, still be on the hoop scene. But I turn hoop dreams to boob dreams. And look, we made it. Still do more numbers than the ones who got famous. Hear what I'm saying? I could take a cookie cutter system and go bust it down and bake. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know. Not Sheck West, but I'm getting really rich. Not your favorite rapper, but I'm really making hits. Soundtrack the world, got 'em asking who is this? Soundtrack the world, this is really just some biz. Big business and I stand on it. I've been on myself, put some bands on it. No days off, put the time in. Who me? Take a break, didn't plan plan on it. Take a loss and I'm not stressing it. The money works for me when I invested it. What you step in, not what I'm stepping in. I cannot be dressing up a mannequin. Okay, what's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know.
Hey, yeah. Oh my vaak on je ma. Oh my trout on je ma. Him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like I do. Tables turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Read up in the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. Oh, all these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, stuck in my mind. Oh my trout on your mind. Did not see you last week. Huh? Told me you will make it up to me. Just wanted you closer, closer. Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Read up in the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. Oh, all these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, stuck in my mind. Oh my trout on your mind. Stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, stuck in my mind. Oh my trout on your
All right.
Welcome back.
Gonna try this, and I already know.
But you said this. What is this? The people, they don't know.
This is called food. Food.
It's not any kind of food. It's my twist and version of food. Me as in Lisa, as in Neil Kalayuki. As I'm sure you've seen up until this point, I've used some of the traditional ingredients and a whole bunch of ingredients that aren't traditionally used when making food.
Yeah. And we take chances like that.
Yeah, we like to zhuzh it up. He does love food. For
Love
dinner, for breakfast, for lunch.
Yeah.
He'll have it anytime.
I can have it with everything.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna just taste test.
Taste test of the food.
First
Bite.
First bite. See, I got a little bit of everything on there, except for this. Let me get the sour cream on there.
You got the cucumbers, green
Cucumbers.
onions.
I got some onions, and I got the green and the red onions. Some tomato. All right, let's go. I'm doing my face. So good.
If I can be truthful with you guys, it is really good. So I suggest you make it, and then you let us know below how it turned out for you.
Here's a little bite.
Delicious. So satisfying.
I wonder if it's focused, but yeah, this is so good. All right, okay.
That's it.
I'm gonna go back to eating the whole thing, the whole bowl. Thank you everyone for looking. Ready?
So, did you tell the people what we're doing? Why we're here
No.
for a second taste test?
Go ahead.
Well, it's just that we had to zhuzh up the food differently just to offer you all some options. And then Jones had this lovely idea to add what?
Egg.
A fried egg. So
Fried
I was
egg,
gonna
you
taste
know.
it all. Full.
Cause first time I had that was where? Was it Ethiopia or was it?
I think it was Ethiopia.
Eritrea. All right, so anyway, I'm about to dig in. So it's lunchtime because I think when we filmed this, it was nighttime.
Well, this is
Now
us
it's daytime.
coming back on a different day with a different food dressed in, well, same food but dressed differently.
Same food, different soup.
Different raw veggies addition today, and still that delicious sour cream plus the fried egg. Plus the fried egg. I think I'm gonna have to taste that as well.
Egg. All right.
I can't lie. Wait, I want to try too.
The things I do for this channel.
Because a savory food, I can't say no to. When it comes to sweets, I can really pass. It's not that difficult for me. But savory foods that are this colorful, did you see the green, the purple, the white,
A lot of color in this.
and then the egg?
She took all my egg, y'all. She took all of it. No, I got a little left. So yeah, this is say a winner, Fuul and egg dinner, winner. Yeah. So anyway, you get the picture. So yeah, jizz up your food. Be a food for this food, like I am. Amazing. Great here.
I'm not trying to compliment myself necessarily, but this is a 10 out of 10.
She's trying to get me fat, that's all.
It's all clean and delicious.
All right, y'all. Peace.
See you soon. Bye.
Stay decent and eat. Eat. Help me eat.